Za uwe fruik ni maya nifta bang ting mikunting nari Tumpaya katos ake akatos ekon talana werutasi Za uwe fruik ni maya.
Yo guys, what is up? It's the Apple Core, and in today's video I will be showing you how to jailbreak all iOS and iPadOS devices from iOS 13 to iOS 13.5. No revoke. A Mac or Windows computer is needed for this method. And with that, let's get started. First, go to the link in the description below and download AltStore. You want to open AltStore? Then click on the little diamond at the top and select Install Mail Plugin. Install. Enter your password. And then once it's installed, you want to open up your Mail app. And then you want to go to Mail, Preferences, Manage Plugins, select Alt Plugin, and then Apply and Restart Mail. Once you've installed the Mail plugin, you want to connect to your iPhone or iPad, then go up to AltStore, and then you want to go to Install AltStore and choose your iDevice. Now you want to enter in your Apple ID and password here. Once AltStore is installed on your iOS device, go to Settings, General, Profiles and Device Management, then tap on your Apple ID, then click Trust. Next, go to uncover.dev on your iOS device and download the latest version of Uncover. Once Uncover has finished downloading, you want to go into Files and then select Uncover, then Open With, then scroll down and over to More, scroll down to Copy to AltStore. And then when this pops up, you need to enter in your Apple ID once more. And then you need to wait for Uncover to sign onto your iOS device. Open Uncover, then tap Jailbreak. Click out of the advertisement. And now your device will respring in the jailbroken state. Once you're in a jailbroken state, find Cydia and click on Sources at the bottom. Then click on Edit, Add, and then you want to add repo.incendo.ws. The link to that will be in the description below. Now, once the repo has added, you want to click on this repo right here. Then All Packages. And then Reprovision, Modify, Install. Now open Reprovision and enter in your Apple ID and password here. Then click Done. Once you've signed in, go to Settings and make sure this Resign application says 1 day. And with that, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.
Za uwe fruik ni maya nifta bang ting mikunting nari Tumpaya katos ake akatos ekon talana werutasi Za uwe